The world of robotics has always fascinated humankind. We build machines to mimic ourselves, to push the boundaries of what's possible. Humanoid robots, in their quest to resemble us, represent a pinnacle of this ambition. They are no longer just characters in science fiction. They are becoming a tangible reality, poised to reshape industries and redefine the very nature of work. Imagine a world where robots collaborate with us, shoulder to shoulder. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's the dawn of a new era. This is where HMND-01 enters the scene. Meet HMND-01, your newest teammate. This state-of-the-art humanoid robot is designed to seamlessly integrate into human workspaces, offering unparalleled support and efficiency. HMND-01 stands tall at 175 centimeters, a near-perfect match for its human counterparts. Its design ensures that it can perform tasks with the same reach and dexterity as a human. Weighing in at 70 kilograms, it moves with surprising agility. Its stride is purposeful, covering ground at a brisk 1.5 meters per second. This robotic marvel boasts a runtime of 4 hours, capable of handling tasks tirelessly before requiring a recharge. And it's not just about endurance. HMND-01 can shoulder a payload of up to 15 kilograms. What truly sets HMND-01 apart is its remarkable design. The robot's creators opted for a modular approach, allowing for interchangeable limbs and a variety of garments. This adaptability means HMND-01 can be tailored to specific tasks and environments. Need it to navigate tight spaces in a warehouse? No problem. Need it to assist with delicate assembly work in a factory? HMND-01 can be reconfigured in a flash. Beyond its physical capabilities, HMND-01 is designed to work harmoniously alongside human teammates. HMND-01 isn't about replacing human workers, it's about augmenting their capabilities. This revolutionary technology is designed to work alongside humans, enhancing their productivity and efficiency. By delegating repetitive tasks to robots, we can reduce workplace injuries and improve job satisfaction. Imagine a world where human workers focus on creativity and problem-solving, while robots handle the rest. This is the future that HMND-01 represents. A future of seamless human-robot collaboration. GAP3S, the creation of HMND-01, was no small feat. It involved years of research, countless prototypes, and the collaboration of some of the brightest minds in robotics. From initial sketches to the final product, every step was meticulously planned and executed. The team faced numerous challenges, from perfecting the robot's balance to ensuring its movements were as human-like as possible. But with each obstacle, they found innovative solutions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. Today, HMND-01 stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. GAP3S. HMND-01 is not just a marvel of engineering, it's a practical solution to many of today's challenges. In healthcare, it can assist with patient care, reducing the workload on nurses and doctors. In manufacturing, it can handle repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing the risk of injury. In logistics, it can navigate warehouses, picking and packing items with precision. GAP2S. The robot's applications extend beyond these fields. In disaster response, HMND-01 can access areas too dangerous for humans, providing crucial support in search and rescue operations. In education, it can serve as an interactive teaching assistant, helping to engage students in new and innovative ways. Even in the service industry, HMND-01 can enhance customer experiences by performing a variety of tasks, from concierge services to food delivery. GAP2S. As technology advances, so too will the capabilities of HMND-01. Its adaptability and learning algorithms mean it can be continuously updated to meet the evolving needs of different industries. This robot is not just a tool, it's a partner, ready to take on the challenges of the modern world. So, GAP2S. The integration of HMND-01 into various sectors exemplifies the potential of humanoid robots to transform our lives. It's a glimpse into a future where humans and robots work side by side, each complementing the other's strengths. As we continue to innovate, the possibilities are endless. HMND-01 is poised to be at the forefront of this exciting journey, leading the way towards a more efficient, safer, and smarter world. GAP3S. To truly understand the impact of HMND-01, we spoke to those who have worked with it firsthand. It's incredible, says Dr. Jane Smith, a robotics engineer. HMND-01 has revolutionized the way we approach tasks in our lab. John Doe, a factory manager, shares a similar sentiment. Our productivity has skyrocketed since we integrated HMND-01 into our workflow. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never gets tired. These testimonials highlight the real-world benefits of HMND-01, showcasing its potential to transform industries and improve lives. Gap 2S. Sarah Thompson, a healthcare professional, adds, HMND-01 has been a game-changer in patient care. It assists with routine tasks, allowing us to focus more on patient interaction and care quality. The patients also find it fascinating and engaging. Gap 2S. In the education sector, Professor Emily White notes, HMND-01 has brought a new dimension to teaching. Students are more engaged and curious when interacting with the robot. It makes learning more interactive and fun. Gap 2S. These voices from various fields illustrate the versatility and transformative power of HMND-01. From healthcare to education, HMND-01 is not just a tool but a valuable team member, enhancing productivity and enriching human experiences. The future of collaboration between humans and robots is not just a vision, it's a reality unfolding before our eyes. And as we continue to innovate and adapt, the possibilities for HMND-01 and its successors are boundless. Gap 3S. As we look towards the horizon, the journey of HMND-01 is just the beginning. The field of humanoid robotics is rapidly evolving, with new advancements being made every day. Researchers are exploring ways to make robots even more human-like, with improved dexterity, better AI, and enhanced sensory capabilities. Imagine a future where robots can not only perform complex tasks with precision, but also understand and respond to human emotions, making them invaluable companions and collaborators. Gap 2S. In the not-so-distant future, we could see robots seamlessly integrating into our daily lives, assisting us in ways we never thought possible. From helping with household chores to providing personalized healthcare, the potential applications are limitless. Gap 2S. The goal is to create robots that can think, learn, and adapt, just like humans. Advanced AI systems will enable them to predict our needs, offer solutions, and even engage in meaningful conversations. These robots won't just be tools, they will be partners in our quest for a better, more efficient world. Gap 2S. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the age of humanoid robots is upon us, and the possibilities are endless. With continuous innovation and ethical considerations, we are on the brink of a new era where humans and robots work hand in hand, creating a harmonious and prosperous society. Gap 2S. The advancements in humanoid robotics are not just about technology. They are about enhancing the human experience. The future is bright, and the journey has only just begun. Let's embrace this exciting new chapter with open arms and minds, ready to explore the boundless opportunities that lie ahead. Gap 3S. As we embrace humanoid robotics, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure these robots are used responsibly? What measures are in place to protect human workers? These are questions that need to be addressed as we move forward. Gap 2S. Additionally, the societal impact of humanoid robots cannot be ignored. They have the potential to reshape industries, create new job opportunities, and improve our quality of life. But with these benefits come challenges, and it's up to us to navigate this new landscape with care and consideration. Gap 2S. One of the primary ethical concerns is the potential for job displacement. While robots like HMND-01 can perform tasks with remarkable efficiency, there is a risk that human workers may be rendered obsolete in certain sectors. It is essential to strike a balance between leveraging robotic technology and preserving human employment. This can be achieved through upskilling and reskilling programs that prepare the workforce for new roles in a robot-assisted world. Gap 2S. Another ethical consideration is privacy. As humanoid robots become more integrated into our daily lives, they will inevitably collect vast amounts of data. Ensuring that this data is handled with the utmost respect for privacy is paramount. Robust data protection measures must be in place to prevent misuse and safeguard personal information. Gap 2S. Furthermore, the development and use of humanoid robots raise questions about autonomy and control. Who is responsible if a robot makes a mistake? How do we ensure that robots act in accordance with human values and ethics? Establishing clear guidelines and ethical frameworks is essential to address these concerns. Gap 2S. The societal impact of humanoid robots also extends to accessibility and inclusion. These advanced machines have the potential to assist individuals with disabilities, providing them with greater independence and improved quality of life. However, it is crucial to ensure that these benefits are accessible to all regardless of socio-economic status. Gap 2S. In conclusion, the journey into the age of humanoid robots brings both promise and challenges. By addressing ethical considerations and societal impacts head-on, we can build a future where robots and humans coexist harmoniously. The key lies in thoughtful regulation, public discourse, and a commitment to using this technology responsibly. Together, we can navigate this new landscape and unlock the full potential of humanoid robotics for the betterment of society. The emergence of HMND-01 is part of a dynamic evolution in robotics, reshaping industries and societies alike. From automated manufacturing to AI-driven systems, advancements are revolutionary. Companies like UBTech and Boston Dynamics push the envelope with robots like Una and Atlas. These robots can think, learn, and adapt, raising questions about integration and ethics. The global humanoid robot market is projected to reach $1 billion. We must navigate this uncharted territory with wisdom and foresight. The future is something we create, with robots like HMND-01 leading the charge. The possibilities are limitless, shaped by our imagination and commitment.